want to join any lesson on the Allschool lesson app, it's simple. Once you are on the app, you look for the lesson you want. You see there are different lessons here. Make sure you join the exact lesson that you want. You click on WAEC. In this one, let's say it's WAEC lesson. I'll click on it. You see, if you see sign in, it means you've not signed in. If you sign in, what you will see is join in this button. So you click on sign in, then you sign in. So I'll quickly sign in now. And to sign in, you click on the sign in with Google button. All right, we've signed in. Now, if you are an old student of the app, this is what it will look like. You see something like this, and you might be confused. Just click on this home button. So whether you are home student, whether you are new or home student, just click on the home button, this thing here. Then you scroll down to the lesson you want to join. I want to join this WAEC online lesson. So depending on the lesson you want to join, you scroll down, click on it. Now, now you see it's now showing join. You click on the join. You fill in your information, the name, the information required, your name, the subject you want to do, the phone number, and that's it. Once you fill it, you click on submit. Once you click on submit, let me fill that quickly. All right, I'm done filling the information. You click on submit. It's going to forward your information to the admin for the admin to approve. All right, so you see they said your request to join has been submitted. Now you are going to see this place, this particular page. Let's check this. Okay, let's click on this. Okay, you see, when I had to click on reload, why you saw only one? Why I saw only one is because we are part of a particular lesson before. Now you make sure you click on your own lesson, WAEC. Okay, so you see when you read what they wrote here, they said your request to join the lesson is under review. You have access as soon as you see it. Okay, so it means at this point we need to approve your request. You can then inform. You can either wait, or I strongly recommend you inform the admin on WhatsApp that you've submitted your request. Then you wait for it to be approved. All right, so we've approved this particular request. When we now say we have approved your request, you come to the app. So you see, swipe from your left to your right so that you can see this red reload button. Click on it. Click on the red reload button. And let's see. So you may see this, it's showing your subscription is expired. So normally when you click on it, you should be able to join, but sometimes maybe for some technical issue, you might see your subscription expired on the okay. So when you see this kind of thing, you just inform the admin, but otherwise you wouldn't see this. You will see the next thing that we will see. All right, so we've approved it. Let's check. Then you'll be informed, of course, that we have approved it. You come, remember, take from your left to your right if you are using mobile. Otherwise, if you are using laptop, you will just see this red reload button. So you click on it again. Let's see, what is it that they said? They said your subscription. Still same issue. All right, I forgot to do something, but it has been done now. So it's simple. You come to try it again. Maybe you still, we're just doing all this thing is just so in case you experience technical issue. You just click on this red reload button again. You see, now we are in. It means you are in. It means it has worked. Now, what you might see is this teacher, students, classroom. No, you are not to click here. Click on this icon. You see this one here? Click on it. Then click on select classroom. Then you see the classroom that you've been assigned to. You click on it, and that is it. So you're gonna see you're gonna see teacher, your attention will be course, but in future updates to the app, what you will see here is either recorded classes or previous classes, or it means this is the recorded classes. Now for the live classes, you might also be able to join the live classes here. Then most in the future you might not see quiz attendance and chat group because we have a separate app for that. So but course is where you get the recorded classes. You click on it, then yes, you see the recorded classes that has been uploaded so far. That's it. Thank you. All right, so if once there are recorded classes in your lesson, in the lesson, you click on, you can easily filter out the subjects you want to see. Now if you notice, this is physics, this is biology, this is biology. If you scroll down, you'll see English, but let's say you just want to focus on one subject, you just click on filter, and let's say I want to focus on maybe physics. Yes, I want to focus on physics. Then let me click on this. Yes, you click on the physics, you see it will now show just physics classes. Okay, now let's say I want to watch the recorded class for this electricity. I'll click on it, then I'll scroll down. Yes, as you can see, there are different classes, there are different videos under it for the recorded class. By the way, this is the recorded class of a previous lesson. So I'll click on play. You see there are different videos here. Let me click on play for this. Okay, so mine is still loading, but it's simple. You would just see a button to click on the load. You click on it. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.